Hi, this is Michael with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting, and we're bringing you some Manager's Minutes. If you're a new manager trying to figure it out, watch this entire series of videos because they're going to be terrifically helpful to you. We talked last time about the 3 Ps, people, people, and people. By now you're focused on that. What do you need to do with the people around you? Well, you better be working on becoming a fantastic communicator. Because you're going to have to listen to these people and talk to these people and collaborate with these people. And I don't know how you do that unless you become a master communicator. So what do you want to communicate about? Well, your expectations, their expectations, the techniques, strategies, tactics that you're going to use as you work together. There's an abundance of things to talk about. And you've got to develop a vocabulary of business so that you can talk with your people about results and revenue and margins and profits and customer satisfaction and everything else that goes into business. Make sure you focus on the 3 Ps, people, 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 and make sure you're thinking about communicating effectively with your team. See you next time.